Hey y'all, what's going on? I am here to do a video on a item that I purchased from the Coach outlet, and as you can tell by the thumbnail, you already know what it is. So let's go ahead and open it. And I actually got this yesterday, and so I'm just not getting a chance to do the video today, so do this for you guys, and then I'm gonna show you all what fits in here also. So here it is. Let me scoot this back some. So here it is, you guys. Oh, this is too cute. So here it is, and this is the Coach mini quart backpack in the signature canvas, and I did purchase this online. So and this is actually my first Coach backpack in this style. I have a couple of other ones, but this is my first one in this particular style. So I was looking for reviews before I bought it because I wanted to see you know, how it looked and all that old stuff, but I couldn't really just find a video on it. But right before I got mine, You Change Your Hair Again, she had did a video, and I was like, oh, okay, but I'm like, I already done ordered it now or whatever. And another lady had did one, she had the purple one or whatever, and that purple was really pretty, but I know I can't do nothing with no purple backpack. But anyway, let me show you guys everything. I'm actually going to go ahead and use this backpack. So once I get through with this review, I'm gonna transfer my stuff into the backpack, but I am just going to show you guys what I'll fit in. But first we're going to go over the backpack real fast. So here's the front of it, and then it has this nice little pocket right here. Actually a pretty spacious pocket. And then you're going to have a and I got this stuffed. So here's a nice little opening here, and you have a pocket right here on this flap, and then also in the back you have a zipper pocket here. That is nice. And I love the fact that this front part, it has two zippers. So I like that. That is cute. Now the second zipper, it doesn't have two, it just has one. So we're gonna go there. And so we have the back, and it doesn't have a pocket or anything on here. So there is that. And then on the side, you have this little insert on the side right here, and then on the other side you have the same. So let's see what'll fit in here. Now this front pocket, I have the iPhone 11, so that fits no problem. Zip it up, no problem. That's probably when I carry it, this is probably where I will keep my phone. But I will probably just stick just that in there, and probably here's the little key thing that I'm going to be carrying. So let me see if that'll fit also. So I probably will keep my phone and my keys right here in the front. So there's that. And then the next and then the next section, I will keep, I have this Nolita 15, and I've been waiting to use this. I forgot I had it and I was going through my stuff, because y'all, I'm in the process of packing because I'm going to be moving. So I've been finding stuff that I didn't know I had, but this right here goes perfect with it. So I probably will keep this right here, and probably keep like my wipes and stuff like that in there. And then I have y'all know I have this Coach Clio wallet that I had got, and I would put that in there. Or if I don't use that wallet, I have this Coach wallet. So I would probably use one of those, not both of them, but I'm just showing you what'll fit. Probably one of those. And then in this back part, I have this planner that I got from Walmart. Let's see if that'll fit. And I think that's gonna be a no. So no, that's not gonna fit. I tried. But I do have my mini happy planner, and that fits. Yep, that fits. And I need to start carrying that with me and start using that a little bit more. But since I'm working from home, I don't get a chance to use a lot of stuff like I used to. But I have that over there. And of course, y'all know I have like my sanitizers and all this stuff or whatever. But once I carry it, I know for sure exactly what's gonna be in there. And it's not heavy. This is so cute. I hope they come out with like a lighter, like with this color of it or whatever, or a color block. That'll be too cute, and I may just have to get that one too. But yeah, you can do that. That'll be cute. And then let me show you guys the straps. So here are the straps right here. And these are real thick and padded, so I think that'll be nice. And then you have the little tag right here. And if you want to, you can stick something else right here besides having this tag right here if you want to. It's not a necessity or whatever. You don't necessarily have to do that. But and then this right here is like a little mesh, kind of padded too. That's really soft. And this bag retails for $3.98, and it was on sale at the time that I got it for like $1.19 or whatever. So I just paid $1.19 for that, which I didn't think was a bad deal or whatever. So like I said, this is my first Coach backpack in this style, because I have like the Parker backpack, but this is my first one in this style, and it's actually really, really cute. So like these side pockets, you probably can put like some lip chap or some hand sanitizer, something like that. Or you can stick like I have this little pineapple mirror. You can stick the little mirror on the side if you need to. I have these little soap sheets. You can stick that in the side. Or you can also stick your keys. Here's a little Coach key pouch. Let me see if that'll fit. And that fits, so you can stick your keys right here too if you don't want to have your keys in this middle compartment where the phone, not the middle compartment, the front compartment where the phone is at. And if you don't want to stick your phone in there, you can have like one of these little card cases. That'll fit in there along with the mirror. So that'll fit in there also. And then if you just have just random loose keys or whatever, you can just stick those, you know, those will fit, you know, in there also. So there's a lot of different things that you can carry inside of there. Oh, and I want to show you guys what I purchased off of Poshmark also. Y'all, this little cute little mini backpack charm. I purchased this off of Poshmark for like $35, and I just got it. So I thought that was so cute. This has a silver hardware and this has gold, but it's still cute. So I thought that was the cutest little thing. So I went ahead and purchased that or whatever. And y'all, like I said, I'm supposed to get ready to carry this. So once I do carry it, I'm gonna do a what's in my bag. But like I said, I was just trying to show you guys what fit in here. And then I will do mod shots and stuff to show you how it fits, because I'm just 5'2", so I'll show y'all how it hangs on me and how you can adjust the straps and stuff like that. So like always, if you guys have any questions or comments or anything, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. also, you guys, I just wanted to say that I have a iPad Pro, the 9.7 inch, and just in case somebody wants to know, y'all, just as motley, just in case if anybody wants to know if it fits or not in the back, it does not. Too big, so it will not fit. So maybe if you have like the mini, the I don't even know if they still make the older minis, but I do have one. But I'm sure it will fit. And I think I done packed it up already. Dang, can't show y'all that. But anyway, the iPad Pro, it does not fit. So just in case anyone wanted to know, and talk to you later. Bye.